Welcome to Web Design 101, your comprehensive guide to creating an amazing website. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this video will provide you with essential insights into the world of web design. Good web design is more than just aesthetics. It's about creating an effective user experience, building trust, and ensuring your site visitors can find what they need effortlessly. A well-designed website can significantly increase engagement, lower bounce rates, and improve conversion rates. Remember, your website is often the first impression customers have of your business. When it comes to creating a website, you have two main options: DIY or hiring a professional like 543 Design. DIY website building can be cost-effective and gives you direct control over the process. However, it often lacks the refined touch that a professional can provide. Professional designers bring a wealth of experience, understanding of user behavior, and the ability to create a unique, tailor-made website that stands out in the digital landscape. Selecting the right platform is crucial for your website's success. There are various options available, from content management systems like WordPress to e-commerce platforms like BigCommerce. However, for those seeking simplicity and ease of use, drag-and-drop website editors are a game-changer. These platforms are user-friendly, require no coding knowledge, and offer a range of customizable templates to suit your needs. Drag-and-drop editors are ideal for those who want to create a professional-looking website quickly and easily. They offer intuitive design interfaces, a wide variety of pre-designed elements, and the flexibility to customize your site to your exact specifications. With these tools, you can easily add, remove, or modify elements of your site, making the design process both efficient and enjoyable. Now, let's explore 543's DIY editor. This powerful tool simplifies the web design process without compromising on quality. You can choose from a range of templates, customize layouts, add your content, and even integrate various features with just a few clicks. The editor is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for anyone to create a stunning, functional website in no time. Effective web design is all about balancing form and function. Start with a clear plan for your site's structure. Focus on readability by choosing legible fonts and contrasting colors. Keep your design consistent throughout the site for a cohesive look. And most importantly, ensure your site is mobile responsive, as a significant portion of web traffic comes from mobile devices. A beautiful website is only effective if it's visible. That's where SEO comes in. Optimize your site for search engines to improve your online presence. Focus on relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and alt text for images. Additionally, site performance is key. Ensure your website loads quickly and runs smoothly to provide the best user experience. That's a wrap on Web Design 101. We hope this guide has given you the insights you need to start your web design journey. Whether you choose to DIY or use a professional like 543 Design, remember that a well-designed website is an investment in your online success. Ready to create or upgrade your site? Visit 543 Design for expert help and innovative solutions.